Next, I want to show you how to download the Power BI desktop. So let's go back to where we got into the Power BI. So you're on Office 365, and I'll pick on Office 365 over here. And if you don't see the Power BI here, like I do, then you pick on Explore All Apps, and then you'll scroll down, and then you'll see the Power BI here. Now, the online version is great. However, the desktop version couldn't go a lot further. So let's see how we're going to download the desktop version of Power BI. I'm going to go ahead and pick on the arrow here within the online version of Power BI. And then it does say Power BI Desktop. Now, that's going to start to download that. Now, it is a large file. As you can see, it's 185 megabytes. Now, I have a fast internet connection on this computer, and it's already done. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on that file. Now that'll start to install the Power BI desktop. I'm going to go ahead and pick on next. And then, typically you pick on these choices. And I'm not going to change the folder. And I'm going to install that. It won't take long to install. At this point, it's asking if I want to give that control, and I'll say yes. And now it's going to go ahead and finish the installation process. You're going to find that the desktop version of Power BI is much more powerful than the online version. There's a lot more you can do with it, and I'll make more videos about that pretty soon. This video, I just wanted to show you how to download and install the desktop version of Power BI. Now, I have that checked where it says Launch Microsoft Power BI Desktop. I'm going to pick on the word Finish. And now the Power BI Desktop is going to load. And then here we are. So now it's going to ask me to register, which you can do, of course. But you'll see very soon I'll make other videos about Power BI Online and Power BI Desktop as well.